All right, so I use Clear Eyes. I have dry eyes, so I use Clear Eyes to give me moisture. Every time I use Clear Eyes, like the eye drops, Clear Eyes is the brand name of these eye drops. Every time I use these eye drops, my eyes get drier and itchier. Yet every time I go back to the store, because of comfort, I continuously choose this familiar brand. I continuously choose this familiar eye drop because I'm used to it. It's a good price, I ain't gonna lie, but I'm used to it. It's what's familiar. Knowing that it hurts me, literally, it's not helping me, literally, yet I still was retreating to choosing the thing continuously, over and over, giving this company my resources, my attention, making them relevant when in actuality, it's hurting me more than anything else. It's literally doing the opposite of what their promise is. So I have been So I've been a loyal customer to something that's hurting me. Sounds about insane, right? So why do we do that in our real life, in other areas? We continuously choose people, places, things that do not serve us. And more than just serving us, it's actually hurting us. How we interact with it, whether it's people, places, or things. How it interacts with us and responds, vice versa, in every area of your life. You are choosing things over and over, giving your loyalty to your time, your precious time here in this life, the one that you want to fulfill now, to the things that aren't serving you. As you are upgrading your identity, as we are upgrading our identity, the structure that worked before will not hold up this new level. If you think you can take the structure you had before working for you to the new level, soon enough, it's going to collapse. And you're going to be like, oh, what's going on? You knew that junk wasn't working. You knew that was misaligned. You knew that something needed to be fixed. Something needed to be changed. You know you need to make a new decision. But because you were familiar, I'm talking to me, by the way. So you're going to have to drop it off. Going forward, from this moment forward, you're going to have to drop off what you're familiar with, what you're comfortable with. You have arrived at the end of the road. So think about a hitchhiker. At some point, the driver and the hitchhiker are going separate ways. So long, buddy. Get out of the car. This is as far as I can take you. That's how you need to be with these habits, these thoughts, these things that you're addicted to because you're familiar with them. They need to hit the road, Jack, and never come back no more. Okay? They need to hit the road. You have to depart, it has to depart. Either the hitchhiker get out the car, or you get out the car, or the driver gets out the car. Whichever one you are, part ways with the things that are no longer helping you elevate. So you're upgrading your identity, right? You're upgrading your identity. What you had before, the structure you had before is not going to be able to sustain and be a solid foundation for the expansion that you are currently reaching for and that you are experiencing. It's not strong enough. It's not. Maybe at the time you chose it, it was perfect. Chef's kiss. Maybe at the time it chose you, perfect, chef's kiss. But now you're starting to feel uneasy. That's the indicator. When you feel uneasy, when you know something, you can't put your finger on it, you need to audit everything and everybody. And for the most part, you know your feelings. You know your thoughts. You know what's misaligned. But it's going to take one person and one person doing something to change it. Make the decision. And I don't care about your fears. I don't care about none of that. No, for real, I literally don't. Because your fears are why you continuously pick up Clear Eyes when you know it don't freaking work. I'm afraid the other brand is gonna do worse than that. I'm afraid this new job. And you have this like internal battle back and forth about something you know for sure doesn't work, and for something that has the potential to be great. maybe you should just do a little research. But for the most part, you haven't even tried it out yet because of fear. So I'm really talking to me, and I'm talking to anybody who's in a position where you're choosing something different, and it's causing internal conflict because you are stopping the habit of choosing what wasn't working for you, and you're building a new habit of choosing something that's going to work, not just for you, with you, as you upgrade your identity, as you expand your capacity, and as you build a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. Just like you would in any other area of your life, you have to decide to stop doing what's hurting you and choosing different. It's not rocket science, but a lot of times we have to hear things over and over for it to register. You know you're not supposed to be eating them flaming hot Cheetos and that Arizona tea, and you on a weight loss journey. No cheat days, you know that. All right, and this can be applied to every single area of our life. We have to start building structure that can withhold our next level, because our next level is our now level, because we are going to do what future us does now and then become her. That's how you collapse time, and that's exactly how you get more fulfillment out of this life. Because when the things align, when the things you choose align, chef's kiss. You're gonna be like, I don't even know why I was choosing that other thing before. All right, so thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope I was able to convey that message. I feel really strongly about my people, and if you're here, you're watching, you're my people. And if you haven't already, subscribe. And if you need a container to hold you accountable, be sure to click the link in my description. I created the 7-day start before you're ready challenge. It's literally where you're going to choose one thing for 7 days in one area of your life that you're going to commit to. I'm going to guide you, and you're going to get it done. It's free, and most importantly, it's going to build self-trust, self-confidence, and you're going to be well on your way to building a rich life on purpose. All right, my name is Spivey J, and I hope you have a beautiful day. All right, peace.
You're beautiful. I hope you know that. I hope you know that.
I just recorded a video, a good one, 8 minutes long, and then this joker went out. Let me tell you. All right, so now I gotta hurry up because the sun is like, peace out. All right, hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Spivey J, and I hope you are having a beautiful day.